We'll guide you through how to limit and cap FPS with RivaTuner. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. If your FPS in a game keeps on fluctuating a lot, we can go and cap it and limit it with RivaTuner. Make sure this full guide and don't skip anything as we're guiding you through how this can be done. So I just want to first of all go and show you the FPS we're currently getting in a game. So for this example, I've actually got Minecraft open. So here we are. If I go and open up the options here to get the on-screen stats, I'll press F3 for Minecraft. I can see in the top right, I'm currently getting 450 FPS. And I'm going to go and limit it and cap it to a desired amount. So we're going to guide you through this step by step. For now, go and close out of the game. Now, what we need to do, if you haven't already, is we need to go and download RivaTuner. So you can go and open a web browser of your choice, and we can go and type in RivaTuner like so, statistic server. This is it. Scroll down, and we're going to go and get it from this site here, guru3d.com. So go and click on it. Now you can come and scroll down here and we can go and get the final version. We can go and click on it like so. Now it's going to go and say thanks for downloading, and it should shortly go and download. You can go and see that in the top right. Now what we can do is we can go and open up our file explorer. You need to come to your download. So I'll just right click on and press that there, but also you can come over to the left and go and press downloads, and here it is. Select it and press extract all as it's currently a zip. Wait for it to complete and it will open up. Then you can go and double click on the RTSS setup. That stands for RivaTuner Statistic Server. You can then go and choose a language and press OK, and we'll press next. I've already read this, so I can exit the terms and press next, and I'll then go and press next. This here is preventing installation. So what you want to do is you want to go and press search at the bottom and go and type in Task Manager. And at the top here, you can then go and type in the name. This is ASUS Node. And then you can go and select it and press End Task. Then you want to go and it should then automatically start. As you can see, it's now completed, and we can go and press Finish like so. Now what we can do is we can go and press search at the bottom, and you want to go and type in RivaTuner Statistic Server, and you can click on it to open it up, and it should then shortly begin. I had an admin pop up there, which is why I went black. Now nothing may go and show up, but press the arrow in the bottom right, and then in here you can go and find it, and you want to go and click on it like so. So as you can see, here we are, we've got it open. So what you can then do is you want to come down here, and you need to go and find the option for frame rate limit. And you can then go and click in here and go and type it in. Let's go and say I want to go and set it to 60. I've gone and typed that in. Then go and press enter. And that's now been locked in there, as you can see. Then what we can do is go and press minimize in the top right like so. Now what you can do is go and open up a game. So I'm going to come back and open up the Minecraft launcher just to go and show you. What I'm now doing is I'm just loading into the game. Now if I go and open up the options by pressing F3, you can go and see we've now gone and limited it to 60 FPS. It's that simple. So that is it. We've now gone and successfully limited it. And of course, this will go and apply to other games as well. One thing you may want to do is you can go and open up RivaTuner again, and you can go and switch this so it starts with Windows, which is going to be useful just so it's automatically running and you don't have to manually go and open it up every time. If you found this useful and want to see more, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. I look forward to help you again in the future.